people, welcome to a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. And this is another journal for you. I have one more journal I think I'm going to do with Stamperia before Christmas. If I can get it done before I leave for my Thanksgiving holiday vacation, we'll see. If I can't, then I probably won't make it. But I've made a lot of cards, so I thought, I'll make you guys a couple journals. All right. So this is the collection that has blue in the title. I don't remember because I already used up all the paper and I just had the cut aparts. I think I had 2 or 3 sheets of whole paper for this. So this is the front. I love, love, love the little birds and the tree, really wintry looking. And then this postcard from the collection. This is my binding, and I used a crinkle ribbon, and then I used this blue ribbon as a closure. And as I always do, I use this elastic to bind my pages in. So I kind of like to keep these journals a little simple on the outside. They're much easier, I think, to store and keep up with. You know, even if you wanted to stick this in your purse or your suitcase or whatever, it's going to be a lot easier if there's not a whole bunch of stuff on it. So we open it up. We've got this nice wood grain. It does not go with this collection. This is something I added in myself. So I think everything else is going to be from the collection, except if you see any of this wood grain. So this is from the collection, and I love this, you know, it looks like an envelope, and I just added the lace to it. It flips up like that for journaling. And then I have these 2 pullouts. I wanted this album to be really crisp. It's not an album, it's a journal. Real crisp, so I didn't do any inking or stamping on this. You can do your own on this one. But I did add a lot of lace and trims to this. So this opens up, slides in there, this pretty tag here, and this opens like that. This one opens like that. And then this nice postcard. Beautiful, beautiful images. Really wintry. Not necessarily Christmassy, but definitely wintry. And some of them actually don't look wintry, but they're all in the same collection. So put them all together. That flips out like that. And then you've got your card there. I just made this, what do you call it? Like a, anyway, it's pretty. All right, this side flips up. And then we've got this little pull out. This opens like this. And then it opens like this. And then there's this little pull out here. And then here we have a flip up, and this flip, and this pulls out. So I tried to make it really interactive. I know most everyone likes them really interactive. This one opens like this and like that. And then this beautiful tag from the collection. Little birdies. And then this is the center of our first signature. So it goes like that, and then you have 2 very pretty cards that go in like that. And you could see how this holds in the signature. And as I said, this one has 2 signatures. Because I didn't do anything to the papers, they laid a lot flatter, and so I was able to fit more in. When you coffee dye, it wrinkles the papers and it makes it more puffy, so you can't fit as much in without making it oversized. So for those of you that don't like the super gigantic ones, there's another, whatever that is, with the banners. This opens like that. This pulls out like this. I think this is a great winter journal. Very, very pretty. With the blues. This opens like that. And we've got this postcard that pulls out. Then over here we've got this little tuck spot with 2 places. And then I love that one. Ooh, I love it. And it opens like that. And we've got this pull out. Just a little pocket envelope. And we've got this. And this flips open. And then this pulls out. So as I said, very interactive. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. I just so love winter. This pulls out. And then this is a large page, and we have this pull out. Slides back in. This is an envelope. That opens up, and then we have this. Not an envelope, a sack. We've got this little tag. Love, love, love the winter feel. So as I said, this one has 2 signatures, but there's pretty much the same amount, I won't say the same amount of room, but there's still quite a bit of room in both compared to the other one that I had done with the coffee dyed paper. I'm talking like they're in the same video, and they're not. So this is another one of the white sacks. So this is the center of our signature. Again, that paper that is not part of the collection that I added in because I thought it looked nice, and you know, it matches the collection really well, even though it's not blue. So we get a side pocket. This is just a, this actually opens. So this pulls out, this opens up. We've got just a beautiful page. This flips up, this pulls out. This side flips open. And we've got, they're not going to want to come out. There we go. That one tore just a little bit. That flips over. We've got this one. And this flips over. This opens like this. And then we've got 2 little, let's see, that one opens and this one opens. And then back here, you've got this long one that opens. And then our last page, a corner tuck. That opens, and again, I just love the images. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Almost everything I create is for sale. I will link to the Etsy store if you're interested in getting you some of this gorgeous paper. I did also use a lot of score tape, and you can get your score tape also at ASC Supplies on Etsy. So definitely check that out. Great prices, fast shipping. But if you're interested in purchasing the journal, my contact is also in the description box down below, all the store info. So thanks for watching. I hope you got inspired. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.